Hello, welcome to Computerology. In this video you are going to see 8 amazing shortcuts that you never seen before. Let's get into the video. Number 1. To open Explorer, press Windows key plus C. Number 2. To lock your Windows, press Windows key plus L key. Number 3. To create new folder, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Number 4. To see the property of applications or files, you need to left-click that and press Alt and Enter. Number 5. If accidentally closed a tab and you want to get it back, press Shift plus Ctrl plus T. Number 6. To open Action Center, press Windows key and A. Number 7. If you want emojis, press Windows key and the full stop key to get emoji. Number 8. To rotate the screen, press Ctrl key, Alt, and arrow key. The screen will be rotated on the basis of arrow key you pressed, as you see in the video. Thank you.